Say hi, Logan. Oh, Daddy shouldn't have left that out. Let's give that to Mommy. Can Mommy have that, please? Thank you. That's not for babies. Are you playing with your birthday presents? Hey? Are you going to show off the sweater your great-grandma knitted for you? Yeah. She sent that in the mail for you. And she made one for your Auntie Ashley and your mommy when we were little, just like you. Are you going to chew on the chimney? Okay. You just like to destroy your toys. You don't want to play with them. Let's see what pieces I can take apart and bang. Bang them together. That's more fun than actually playing with it. Oh, is that a piggy? Was that the piggy noise? What other noises do you have on that? Oh, good job. You gonna put everything inside the farm? You gonna put everything inside the barn? I don't think that one will fit, but you can keep trying. Oh, there's the piggy again. Now, where are you going? Now where are you going? You're gonna have to move the farm out of the way if you want to walk. Hi, Logan. Can Mommy have? Oh, can Mommy have? Thank you. Oh, Mommy dropped it. Can Mommy have? You want to give it to Mommy? Oh, thank you. Good sharing. Good sharing. Now Mommy will give it back to you. Yay! We shared your toy. Good job. Hi. I just love pressing those buttons. You got your radio turned on? Listen to some music while you play? Oh, here he comes. Time to go explore somewhere else. Time to go explore. Where are you going, Logan? Where are you going? Hi, Smiles. What's that? Oh, I see what you're seeing. You can't have that. That's not for babies. Abba! Where are you going? You gonna go for a walk? You gonna go for a walk? Oh, do a baby dance. Do the baby dance. Is there anything on the couch you can play with? What's over there? There's some pillows. Is that soft? Is that a soft cushion? Logan, you want to wave hi? No, I'm going to do a baby dance. You going to wave hi? Aww. Okay, Mr. Monkey. I think we have to say bye-bye now. We have to go grocery shopping. You ready to go grocery shopping? Mom, you'll probably recognize the song in the background. I think Jason used to watch this show. Okay, Logan, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.